Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox Insta360 webcam 4K. That's very nice for me. What it says, please steer here. Alright, I'm opening the box. The bubble protection and Insta360 link, the AI powered 4K webcam. Let's see what is inside the box. Nothing. Alright, now currently I'm using Logitech C120 Full HD webcam, but it's time to upgrade to the newer version because I'm using a lot the webcam with Talk International from PC, so it is the time. By the way, this one is cost to $300. It's super expensive for me, but I bought it because I'm gonna use it probably a lot. What we have inside or for the future, we have 4K video, health sensor, size sensor, AI tracking, rapid focus, whiteboard recognition, guest catcher, noise cancelling mix, privacy mode. What is inside the box? Insta360 link, USB-C cable, USB-C to USB-A adapter, recognition marker, X4 quick start guide, warranty card. Okay, let me open the box and check out the item. Look at that. The plastic wrap. Put it away. Smash little. Oh yes, so tiny. I wasn't expect this. I was expect way bigger size for 4K. It looks cute, really cute. Look at this. That's a gimbal. That's a gimbal. There's a camera mounting point here. It has a USB Type-C connection. What else? We have arm for the put on the monitor. Protection plastic sides on the lens. I'm going to remove them. Alright, it's totally cute webcam, but I don't know how is the image quality when I connect to the computer. I'm gonna put an example on the video and compare with the Full HD Logitech webcam. Let's put this here. We have a user manual, warranty paper. We have a cable. Let's see. Yes, USB-C to USB-C, Type-C cable for 4K delivery from PC to webcam. What else we have? The adapter for the USB. What else? Let's see, hold on. USB-A to USB-C adapter. Okay. And, what is this? What is this? I think this is the AI tracking software. So this one's the marks you put somewhere and the camera tracking it. That's it, guys. Here the webcams. I'm gonna get closer. It's very tiny with a little, and mounting is very solid. It looks like all the metal. Okay, I'm gonna connect to the computer, install the software, take a samples to video 4K, and compare with my Logitech Full HD one. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, please subscribe and comment. Thank you, guys.